My name is Kipkirui. I am a Zindua graduate for software engineering class 2024. What motivated me to pursue software engineering was the ability to solve problems using code. Before joining Zindua, I was in high school, so I just graduated high school and joined Zindua. I would recommend Zindua to other people because I believe that if they're looking to grow their career or to become either data scientists or software developers, I believe Zindua is the perfect place to help them achieve that dream. My first impression of Zindua was, I think I fell in love with the teaching culture and the learning culture that they have with personalized learning and the one-to-one mentorship that they offer. The learning environment is very collaborative among us students and together with the mentors. Not afraid to ask questions, and we are always guided where we have a problem. Since joining Zindua, I've picked up quite a few skills, one of them being data structures and algorithms, be able to solve questions in technical interviews. I've also picked up some coding languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. The mentorship at Zindua has been quite impactful in my journey, in my learning journey. I've been able to overcome the challenges I've had in my learning journey, and I've been able to achieve or grow closer to my potential. I'm proud of the project that we had in class as a group project. We were able to learn how to collaborate using Git and GitHub and how to create projects and work on them as a group. My plans for the future is to study computer science and to be able to solve problems using the skills that I've picked up at Zindua. I've formed very close relationships with my peers, my fellow classmates, and my mentors. They've been able to guide me on my learning journey, and I believe we've been able to work on a couple of projects together. Zindua has helped me push my goal of becoming a software developer one step closer. I think by joining Zindua, I've been able to realize that it's not far away from my reach.